The apex body of adventure sports in India, National Adventure Foundation NAF New Delhi has conferred Dr. Kangaba Romeo, renowned adventurer and mountaineer, with the prestigious Brigadier Gyan Singh National Adventure Award at YMCA Delhi on 31 August. NAF President Lieutenant General Raman Dhawan conferred the trophy, citation and monetary award to Dr. K. Romeo, who also served as NAF Manipur Chapter Director, for his contributions in the field of adventure sports and mountaineering. NAF Manipur Chapter Secretary Mayengbam Sanatomba said on the occasion that it is a moment of pride for the state on being recognized for his tireless contributions in adventure sports, mountaineering and sports climbing for 40 years. Dr. K. Romeo currently serves as faculty member of National Sports University Manipur as well as Manipur University Department of Teacher Education. It may be noted that Dr. K. Romeo has previously led the Mount Everest expedition in 2011.